Today we'll discuss about how to execute Python program in Python software. See here, press on Windows button and search here. Just type Python. Uh, sorry, just type Python software. Here I have 3.8 version. Just then press enter. Otherwise select that one. So you will get this one. Here just see here 2 plus 3. If you type that one, you will get 5. Suppose 5 minus 2. See here 3. See simply by typing 2 plus 3 you will get 5. 5 minus 2 you will get 3. Same program, if you want to get this output in C, we need to write nearly 5 to 6 lines. See here, simply by using numbers, one operator, two operands and one operator, just 2 plus 3 gives 5. 5 minus 2. This is about the execution part. So just press enter. After typing it, just press enter, it will give output. So suppose now we'll see one more program. A equal to Python is okay. Easy language, then C equal to C equal to plus B. Then after print, and this is a round bracket. This one, just see here. A equal to Python is a, this is a string. This one will be stored into a easy language. This one also will be stored into B. After that I want to add these two. Python is a easy language. So that is my, so I need to show this one in one line output I'm telling. So for that purpose I added these two, then C equal to A plus B. Same program, if you want to add these two in C, we need to write nearly 10 lines. So for that hash input stdio.h, everything we need to write. So one more thing, one more big advantage here. Here we won't mention any data type here. Because this is string. For that purpose we need to write string here. String we need to mention. You know, write data types, integer, float, everything. Suppose integer means 3, 2, 4, 100, 1000. That are all integers. So points 3.2, 4.5. These are all floats, right? That are all data types. So here we won't mention any data type here. Simply written variable and one value. So we assigned one value here. Whatever there is string or float value or integer value, automatically it will take. So here also automatically it will take, and after that here also a plus b. A plus means it's a addition operation here. Plus means addition only, right? So here I added a and b. After that, after addition of these two variables, the after addition of these two variables, the output of value will be stored into C. After addition of these two, this C value I need to display by using print option. Print statement. So here we will use only print, not printf. Just print. We want to use F here. In C we can use printf. Okay, that is very important here. And one more thing, no semicolons here, and spaces are very important here. See, a equal to, and between a and equal to space is there, and between a equal to and this string equal is equal to, and here also space is there, here also between b and equal to and equal to and easy language, here also, here also, here also, here also, everywhere spaces are there. So that is very important in Python, that is called indentation. So if you miss these spaces you will get errors, indentation error. So okay, so after this print to C. Now I will press enter. See here, Python is a easy language. So like that you will get output. So this is a way of execution. Understood, right? This is a simple execution. Okay, thank you.